Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to disable automatic app updates on your iPhone or iPad. Very easy to do. So you just want to start off by going over to your settings, and then you want to scroll down and go to iTunes and App Store. And then you're going to see under here, under automatic downloads, you have the option to turn off your app updates. So you can go ahead and untrick that, and then that will turn off your app updates. Also, under cellular data, if you have automatic downloads turned on, you can turn those off here as well if you're worried about your data. Now, after you turn off the app updates, this is just turning off the automatic ones. If you still want to update your applications, you can do that just by heading over to the App Store. And then once it loads up, you want to click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all the apps that need to be updated. So if you want to update them manually, this is where you would do that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to turn off your automatic app updates on your iPhone. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.